The Breville Barista Touch Espresso machine, BES881BTR, offers step-by-step barista guidance with real-time feedback, ensuring a seamless coffee-making experience. Featuring an innovative ThermoJet heating system, this espresso machine achieves the optimum extraction temperature in just 3 seconds, allowing you to go from bean to cup faster than ever. The intelligent dosing and assisted tamping system simplify the process of grinding, dosing, and tamping, making it easier to create an impressive puck with consistent quality. With the Auto MilQ feature, you can select from 3 alternative milk settings, which adjust the air injection time and temperature to perfectly suit the type of milk you choose. The improved touchscreen interface provides an intuitive experience, letting you swipe and select from 8 cafe favorite presets or customize up to 8 drinks for personalized enjoyment. The integrated hardened steel precision conical burr grinder offers 30 grind settings, delivering the right amount of coffee on demand for maximum flavor.